Welcome to EVO Camp. Ito rin yung diner nila. Let's go outside. This is the outside of the EVO. Welcome to EVO Nature Camp. Nature Camp, yeah. The entrance. Here. It's very good for relaxing and team building also, especially camping. Those are the campsite below and the beautiful garden. Yeah. And the activity place, slides, the seats, go. There's some activities. The mountain, the deluxe camping, glamping, sorry, with 3 seats and water. Camping is the answer. Look at that, the beautiful camping area. As you can see also below. Look at that. Or the camping sites. Let's go above. Here are one of the views. Look at the beautiful sights of flowers. The city. The standard glamping camping ground. Right, take note of that. Entire garden. This is good for team building or family gathering. Look at the camping ground below. Look at the camping below. Today is our happy place. Look at that, those camping ready to for rent. Look at that. Look at that. You see mountains. These are the campings. Look at that. all camping for rent. Okay, and look at below are one of the camping sites. It also has a campfire. A very quiet place indeed. Alright. Those are the upper view of EVO Nature Camp. Look at the ground of the place. Look at that. Stairway going up. There's some playground that children could play. Alright. The dining area. I think that's enough for our trip to EVO camping ground.